Hey, it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. We're at the IT Expo Tech Super Show in South Florida, and our program is Amir Khoshniyati. He is with Identiv. How are you, Amir?
Doing well. Thank you for having me.
Our pleasure. So tell us a little bit about Identiv. What do you guys do?
So we're an IoT company. We focus specifically on NFC solutions, and we've recently been branching out into more digital triggers, so such as BLEs, and we focus primarily on giving every physical asset in the world a digital identity.
Great. And so I imagine, if I didn't know, I'd have to say, logistics, transportation. Are those maybe medical devices, high devices of expensive devices that you need to protect? Is that kind of where you're focusing?
So you've done your homework. We're traditionally, I wouldn't say a commodity player in the RFID market. We do specialty applications. So traditional RFID is traceability solutions that help you through the supply chain. We focus on those when they have to be ruggedized for adverse environments or areas where there's interference, but our focus is really on actually embedding tags or actually placing them behind labels and bringing the technology forward through NFC solutions. So the HF frequency of RFID and giving your phone the ability to interact with the product and give a digital experience each time you tap a product and interact with it.
So who is your target customer?
So any kind of specialty retail, like a Nike of the world, Adidas of the world, taking the shoes, taking the memorabilia to market and giving a consumer experience behind it. And our primary focus outside of that is really healthcare, pharma, and medical devices. We've seen an uptick since COVID, has really changed the landscape of going contactless with payment, and we're seeing much more demand now in that arena.
Fantastic. When I think of pharma, I also think of things like temperature sensing. It doesn't sound like you're doing anything in that space, right?
We are, and we're doing it on the passive side, and we're also doing it on the active side with loggers that we could set with many different intervals. And right now, another one that it's important to call out is pharmaceuticals as well. We have a key rollout that we're working on right now, over 10,000 locations with CVS Pharmacy. So we put a NFC tag on the bottom of each bottle, and it gives you a digital experience behind that bottle and reads your prescription out loud.
That is really helpful, especially for the elderly or those people who can't read 0.5 font that you usually get on your medicine, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. It was a spoken RX module, so it's for the visually impaired, and we've seen more and more people are adopting it because they don't want to carry the booklets around that come with the pharmaceuticals. So it's one that's really been picking up.
That actually would be really good for virtually every product for customers over 40 who don't have reading glasses with them.
Absolutely. Or this day and age when everyone's stuck on their phones, their eyes are just becoming nearsighted as a means of just the norms.
Yeah, that's really good. That's a huge market for you. Great. What else should we know about your company?
Well, we're very pervasive because we focus on really custom applications. I think that's our biggest differentiator. We do very custom designs. We're really, really close with all the chip suppliers. And our value add is really our converting capabilities and our encoding capabilities. So printing on tags and then being able to actually write secure messages within the tags. So whether we use it as a digital trigger to the cloud or we're authenticating locally, we have that ability with our expertise.
Excellent. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, thank you for having us.